Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Karthik and in today's video we are going to do this topic, number system. So I have made so many of the videos on this chapter, but today I will tell you the basics. Basics, for example, what is real number, what are natural whole numbers, what are irrational and many more. Okay. So firstly, the real numbers. Real numbers. What are real numbers? Rational numbers and irrational numbers together are known as real numbers. What? Repeat after me. Rational numbers, irrational numbers together are known as real numbers. So they are together known, that's why we can write them as one part is rational. Wait. Rational and other is rational. Irrational. So there are two types of real numbers, rational numbers and irrational numbers. What are rational numbers? Rational numbers are the numbers which can be written as in p by q form, where q is not zero. Okay, and irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are the numbers which are written in root or written in power which is negative, or the power which is 1 upon something. Let me give you example of both of these. Example of rational numbers: 3 by 2, 5 by 3, and etc etc. Okay, but can I say that 3 by 9 is rational number? No, because it can be simplified into pieces. It can be written as 1 by 3. So 3 by 9 is not a rational number because it can be further simplified. The numbers which can be simplified are not known as rational numbers. And irrational numbers. Example: root 3 and 3 to the power 1 by 9. Okay. So these are a type of irrational number. And rational numbers are further divided into more parts. I will write examples later on. These are divided into 4 parts. Okay, so what are those parts? Sorry, I mean 3 parts they are divided. Integers, whole numbers, and natural numbers. So I will tell you about all of these. So firstly, integers. Integers are positive natural numbers. Negative natural numbers along with 0 are known as integers. Repeat after me. Positive natural numbers, negative natural numbers along with 0 are known as integers. For example, -2, -3, 0, 1, 7, 9, and any number you can take which is not in p by q form and also not in root form. Okay, and what is whole numbers? Whole numbers are natural numbers along with 0. Now you would be asking, then what are natural numbers? Because natural numbers are included in both of these. Natural numbers are the positive counting like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, starting from 1 and ending on positive infinite. What? The natural numbers are the numbers starting from 1 and ending to positive infinite. Okay? So, I'll tell you the symbols. Real number is called R. Real number is called R. These are divided. So, this is known as Q and this is also known as Q. Okay? Now, this is Z. Integers are Z or I. Integers are both Z and I. This is W, and this is N. These both are from starting letter. This also from starting letter, but these are not from starting letter. So to remember all of these names, you have a trick. R Q Z W N. 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 Once more, R Q Z W N. Okay. So you have this trick to remember all of these. So now I'll give you example of all of these. Firstly, rational numbers, I have given the example. Irrational, I have given the example. This I have to give. -1, 0, 3, 5, -6 and many more. Okay. Now whole numbers 0, 1, 3, 2 and etc etc. Now the natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and further continuing. Okay, so I have told you the examples. Now I will tell you what are the other types. Friends, now these are further three types of natural numbers. No, these are further three types of numbers which also come in number system, but they also come in rational number, not irrational number. These are also part of rational numbers. So I'll explain you using the same color from the marker. So firstly, I'll tell you prime number using blue marker. Yes. So what are prime numbers? Prime numbers are the numbers which cannot be divided by any number other than 1, because 1 can divide any number, but these numbers have no factor other than 1 and themselves, meaning numbers not having factors more than 2. Okay, so we have done this. Now next number. Now next one. I will tell you the examples also. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and further continuing. See, there is a note. 2 is smallest prime number, and other than 2 there is no prime number which is even, meaning all the prime numbers are odd except 2, because 2 is the only prime number which is even, because 2 can divide any of the prime that even number. 2 can divide any even number, so that's why no even number is there which do not have 2 as a factor. Now what is co-prime number? Yes, red marker. Co-prime numbers, these are found in the pair of 2. For example, 1 and 3. Let's take 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are co-prime. How? Because they have no common factor other than 1. One is the common factor between them, and other than one there is no common factor. If we take example of 5 comma 15, there is a common factor. What? 1 comma 5. 5 is a common factor, that's why these are not co-prime, but these are co-prime because only one factor is there. Now I've explained you. Now composite numbers. I require green marker. Composite numbers. Numbers excluding the prime numbers are known as composite numbers. Means non-prime numbers are known as composite numbers. For example, 22, 24, 26, 28, 9, 12, 13. No, 13 is a prime number. 14, 16, 18, 9, 18, 20, 21. All of the numbers. 21, 22, 24, 25, 4, 6, and continuing. Okay, now I will tell you one more concept of these numbers, which lies between rational numbers and irrational numbers. Friends, this is the concept. What is this? This is decimal expansion, which means if any rational number or irrational number is written in decimal, so what are their properties? See, the decimal expansion of rational numbers, decimal expansion is always terminating is either terminating or non-terminating, but reoccurring. You can say repeating or reoccurring, it is the same thing. Non-terminating and repeating and terminating. What is this? This is if we write a rational number in point. For example, 3.26, 7.93. These are rational numbers which are terminating. Decimal expansion of a rational number is terminating, means after a certain period of time its decimal points are stopping. For example, 3.26, it is stopping after 26. Here it is stopping after 93. But if you write for 3.26262626, which can be written as 26 bar. This is non-terminating, means it is not stopping. Terminating means it is stopping. Non-terminating means it is not stopping, but it is repeating again and again. 26 was repeating, so we have written 3.26 bar. Same 7.93939393, and it continues to infinite. We can write it as 7.93 to the power bar. Okay, so this is non-terminating but repeating, and this is terminating. These are for rational number. But if it is an irrational number, so what will be the decimal expansion? It will be non-terminating and non-repeating. These are in line, meaning non-terminating, non-repeating. This is one thing. What does it mean? This means if a number is not stopping and also not reoccurring, for example pi. its values are going infinite to infinite, but its decimals are not repeating. For example, 3.141, and it is not like 3.141, 141, 141, 141, 141. It is again and again not repeating, and also it is not non-terminating. Let us take one more example. This was 3.26. I can make it as 3.026 0026 00026 00026. See, it is not repeating. Zero is increasing, and also these are not repeating. If we write 3.026 bar, so it will be 3.026 but the zero is increasing, so we cannot write it as 3.026 bar. It is continuing forever, so it is non-terminating, non-repeating. The numbers which are not non-terminating and non-repeating, the numbers are known as irrational number, and the numbers which are terminating or non-terminating but repeating numbers are known as rational numbers. Okay friends, I think you might have understood. In next videos I'll frame some questions on this chapter and also give you the homework for the chapter. Okay friends, bye bye.